1. Baby cage. We're as shocked as you are that this invention actually existed. Initially patented by Emma Reed in 1922, the baby cage wasn't a bestseller in America. Gee, isn't that surprising? In 1937, however, this death trap was distributed to the Chelsea Baby Club in London. The idea was to attach these cages to apartment windows so infants could get some fresh air. After all, it's not like parents can just take their babies for a stroll outside. Toddlers are much better off playing in a wired cage with their fate literally hanging in the balance. Seriously, though, if a parent was caught with a baby cage in this day and age, we have a feeling that Child Protective Services would get a call. Point 2. Goldfish walker. If you have a goldfish, you should avoid putting its tank in direct sunlight. This not only creates a large amount of algae, but can also cause the water temperature to rise and overheat your fish. We wonder if Mick Madden knew this when he invented the goldfish walker. A middle-aged metalworker from northern England, Madden felt that his two little fishies, Malcolm and Ethel, needed to get out and see the world. Thus, he attached a fishbowl to a trolley to create a portable aquarium. Now his fishy friends can experience the great outdoors like dogs, although it's safe to say that Madden is the real fish out of water. 3. The car exhaust grill. Why stop at a drive-through restaurant when you can just fire up the car exhaust grill? Sure, you might contract a fatal disease, but at least the burger will taste rancid. Invented by Ruhollah Merakpour of Iran, this device attaches to your car's exhaust pipe. After putting a raw beefy patty inside the grill, all you need to do is drive around and let the heat cook the meat. While the creators claim that the fumes will travel away from the burger, we have a hard time believing this accessory is 100% sanitary. Suddenly, fast food is starting to sound like a healthy option. 4. Neck Pro. At first glance, this invention might look like a torture device, or a really weird sex toy. Believe it or not, it's actually intended to reduce neck pain, but we wouldn't be surprised if somebody used the Neck Pro for autoerotic asphyxiation. Here's how this traction device supposedly works. First, attach the bracket to a door. Second, sit up against the closed door and put your head in the chin straps. Third, pull the cord to adjust tension. Finally, sit and relax for several minutes, although we're not sure how anybody could possibly relax under these circumstances. Sorry, but we'll take our chances with a chiropractor over this accident waiting to happen. 5. Euroclip. You're on a golf course, having the greatest game of your life, when all of a sudden nature calls. Fear not, the Euroclip will resolve your potty emergency. The ads for the Euroclip promise a discreet, sanitary way for your urgent relief. However, there's nothing discreet about peeing into a golf club with a receptacle built into the grip. Covering yourself with a towel isn't going to fool anybody either. It's also worth pointing out that public urination is illegal in most places. You're better off seeking out the nearest toilet, especially if it comes equipped with a potty putter. Seriously, why do inventors keep associating golf with the bathroom? 6. The wine rack. Do you ever wish there were an easier way to drink wine on the go? Then the wine rack is the brassiere for you. This outrageous invention is kind of like a camelback for vino fans. Instead of a backpack that carries water, however, it's a bra that carries wine. The wine rack can hold up to 25 ounces, which is essentially one bottle of wine. If that's not enough to quench your thirst, a wine glass holder necklace can also come in handy. Of course, if you use either of these items on a regular basis, you may want to check into the nearest rehab facility, or at least attend an AA meeting. 7. Better marriage blanket. Couples get divorced for a variety of reasons, although we highly doubt flatulence is among the leading causes. This product is so ludicrous that you'd swear it's from a fake, Saturday Night Live, commercial. We assure you, though, that the Better Marriage Blanket is all too real. If you or your spouse lets one rip in bed, this comforter will miraculously absorb the fart. So does that mean it can also be used as protection against chemical warfare? Regardless, if you want to freshen up your stinky love life, maybe just lay off the beans and asparagus.